Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss The Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Capricorn, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for October 1 to 15, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. And also, thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin niyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, Capricorn, what's up? You have the Four of Wands. This is stability in your home life, your family life. You may be celebrating important events sa family ninyo. I also see some reunion, may party. What else? You have the Hierophant. This is knowledge. So I think you will be learning more or meron kang i-mentor or mag-share ka ng knowledge and skills mo sa iba. This is also, this is Taurus energy. I think this is enhancing your skills, your knowledge. Pwedeng meron kang idadagdag na bagong kaalaman na mag-expand ng iyong kakayanan sa trabaho mo. Mag-o-open ng new opportunities. You have the Knight of Swords. This is the energy of an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. There might be a communication with someone, pwedeng biglaan. Some of you can be a person na you've shared your personal life with, can be an ex-husband, ex-wife. Okay, let's see what else. What is the Four of Wands? Queen of Cups. I see someone who is a single parent, specifically single mother, who is really taking care of the family. Just giving love, attention. The Hierophant, Two of Wands. Okay, merong opportunity for you for a new path, bagong landas na tatahakin. Siguro yung iba ma-offera ng opportunity na maging trainer or teacher sa ibang department or sa ibang company. You have the World. O, iba sa ibang bansa. Some of you naman, merong opportunity na mag-abroad. Pwedeng yung hinihintay nyo na message or resulta ng in-applyan nyo abroad. Ngayong first half ng October, meron ng resulta yan. And I feel like this is a positive result for you. Some of you naman, this can be a relationship or connection abroad. Maaring merong magre-reach out sa'yo. Can be a person from the past. Oo, pwedeng ex-husband or ex-wife. Pwedeng merong gustong ayusin. But not romantically. Pwedeng mga papers, mga ari-arian. Sa inyo namang career, money, finances, whatever you're doing right now, sa trabaho, sa career, sa business, ano lang siya, tuloy-tuloy nyo lang. Kasi yung iba nasa starting period kayo eh. Pwedeng nagsisimula pa lang kayo sa trabaho nyo, sa career nyo, sa business nyo. So, nandun pa yung adjustment period na you are still, developing. Okay? And kailangan, kung ano man yung sources of income ninyo, hindi lang isa. Okay? Do not rely on one or a single income para just in case na merong hindi mag-workout doon sa source of income ninyo, sa isa sa source of income nyo, meron kayong backup plan. Okay? And some of you, maaring paghahandaan nyo na yung inyong future, yung inyong retirement, ganyan. So, yung iba kukuha ng mga insurance. You have the King of Wands, the King of Swords, wow, and the Knight of Cups. So, some of you, Capricorn, are really focusing on your, masculine energy eh. Oo. You have a lot of Kings and a Knight. So, this is about being in control, being more adventurous sa career, sa business, and action-oriented. Okay? So, ngayon, busy-busy ka. You are creating money, making money, and improving your finances. Some of you, meron ring travel opportunities talaga. And when it comes to your finances, very careful kayo sa paglabas ng pera. Hindi kayo basta-basta maglalabas ng pera ng alam nyong wala yung balik sa inyo. No? Or hindi yun babalik. So, it seems that you are more entrepreneurial, no? Mas business-oriented ka. And gusto mo lahat ng expenses mo may value para sa'yo. So, that's why very careful ka. Anything that you spend your money on, kailangan meron yung silbi. Okay? May silbi sa'yo. So, for the love, freedom, flirting, and twin flame. Okay. I feel that yung iba sa inyo, if you will free yourself from a relationship na kind of toxic, you might end up meeting someone like a soulmate or a twin flame connection. Medyo rare itong twin flame connection, but di ba nga, hindi pa sa atin binibigay yung person for us, like yung the one, hanggat nandun pa rin tayo sa energy ng past, or we are in a relationship na alam naman nating red flags na, nagsastay pa rin tayo. So, some of you are going to free yourself from a relationship that is holding you back. And merong mga rito, connections with someone. Knight of Swords, Five of Pentacles, and the Magician. Alam nyo, be careful na lang sa intentions ng mga romantic connections na makikilala ninyo. Because there are some people here na ang tawag doon, nakalimutan ko yung word, yung term na ginagamit. But siya, maaring mag-take advantage sa'yo. Okay? Sa yung kahinaan. And when it comes to the finances or financial side ng relationship, make sure na itong person that you are dealing with is hindi lang habol niya is pera or stability na meron ka. Okay? Express yourself creatively. Start something new. What creative pursuit do you feel drawn to? So, ito na yon. Yung mga gusto magsimula ng mga creative pursuits, creative project, this is your sign to do it. Okay? Because you're becoming more creative ngayong first half ng October. So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.